This is Mission Control Houston, just minutes into today's spacewalk by Kotov and Ryazanskiy. Our first view, albeit a bit dim, of the two spacewalkers in the vicinity of the hatchway of the Piers docking compartment. At the top of your screen, you're looking at the mated ISS Progress 52 cargo ship that has mated two piers on the Earth-facing port of the Russian segment.
Could you take it and I will reattach it? Okay, got it. I'm letting go. Hold on to it.
Sergey Ryazanskiy now about to plant his booted feet in the Yakor foot restraint that he attached a moment ago to the universal work platform outside the Zvezda service module. And there is a spectacular view of one of the two spacewalkers outside of a camera outside of the International Space Station. The view from this camera that was set up in a sleep station on the starboard side of the Zvezda service module.
Oleg, just in case, you need to pull on the handle with a turn and then move it to the open position. Yes, and then what? I see it. And it's out. The pull force from the tether. The moon just came out. Stored with a tether. So here's what I'm proposing to do next, Sergey.
There's a good view of the high-resolution camera out of a window on the service module on the starboard side, out of one of the sleep stations in Zvezda. There is the high-resolution camera that was installed at about 7:49 Central Time this morning, just 49 minutes into the spacewalk.
Maybe. Sergey, you know what? The only reason you shouldn't be doing it, you can break the high-frequency cable. So let's do something else before we go to that extreme. Okay, just in case. So we shouldn't be walking back and forth for nothing. I do have one cable here. Now the equipment tether will stay. Maybe, really, Oleg should go to plate 4 and you should start translating to get seismo prognosis. Exactly, that was my proposal too. Oh, I'll be using the occasion to speak in simultaneously. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So far, I believe yes. I do not see any undercurrents here. Everything seems to be clear. We have 3 tethers, 4 locks, and you know what, Sergey? It can be done easily. We can simultaneously. Again, I do not see any obvious problem. Oleg, there may be no obstacles, but there are other priorities. Please listen to me.
A good view of the high-resolution camera from the helmet camera of Sergey Ryazanskiy. He and Oleg Kotov have put a lens cover on that high-fidelity camera that was to have joined a medium-resolution camera on a pair of platforms outside the Zvezda service module, but the failure of the flight control team in Korolyov to receive downlink telemetry from the camera complement resulted in them directing the two spacewalkers to remove the cameras from their platforms to which they had been attached earlier in today's spacewalk and to return them inside the Pirs docking compartment for further analysis.